Hello, and thanks for watching this video today regarding the system settings in your settings within TermitePro Basic and the archiving feature when deleting a customer in TermitePro Basic. Before we begin, the first thing I believe everybody should do is to download a free app from the Google Play Store called File Manager HD. So I'll do that really quick for demonstration. Go to your Play Store on your tablet, type in the search bar up here, File Manager HD. When it comes up, select that, hit the install button and the accept button. I'm going to open it. This is basically just a file manager for the tablet that we believe is easier to navigate compared to the one that comes with an Android tablet. So I'm going to exit out of this right now. Actually, just minimize it. Now I'm going to go into the bottom here. If you see right down here, this is where all your apps are, and I'm going to grab that File Manager HD and drag it to this screen so you can see it. Now we're going to go into TermitePro, and as you can see, I don't have any customers in here. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to add some fake customers. Now, when you're working in TermitePro Basic or TermitePro, you're going to have a list of customers that you're doing on a daily basis. So I'm just going to put some test customers in here. And now I'm going to create a new customer called Customer 2, 54321. And then a third customer called Now just imagine these being your customers. So I'm going to really quickly put addresses in here for these so that we can recognize them when we go to archive these customers. I'll start with customer 1. Just going to click a few things here. I'm not going to get into all the detail of photos and stuff. This is just strictly for archiving in your system settings in the tablet in TermitePro. Alright, that's good enough for that. Now let's go to test customer 2. Alright, we got that customer in, and the final one is customer 3. Again, I'm just randomly picking some stuff here for demonstration purposes. Whoops. Okay, so now if you go to our customer list, you see that all 3 customers have an address and a customer number associated with them. That's all we need for this demonstration. So now if we go up here to your settings, up in the upper right corner, and then to System, this is a feature that we've created to kind of minimize old files in your tablet hard drive. And what you can do here, it comes default with nothing checked. That means that nothing is being deleted automatically. We don't recommend that, especially if you do a lot of volume of termite inspections. What this does is when you delete a customer from your customer list, TermitePro and TermitePro Basic automatically saves a PDF of that customer and a data file of that customer into a folder which will access through File Manager HD, that program we just downloaded. And then over the course of time, like 2 weeks later, if you needed to retrieve that customer, even though you've deleted it from your customer list, you can retrieve the information, your drawing, everything. So right now, we're just going to select 60 days. This is kind of based on what your volume is. If you do 10 termite inspections a day, you might want to go 30, because that would be, you know, probably 200 inspections that are being saved. 60 would be 490. Obviously, you can do the math. So this is kind of how long you want to keep these folders saved on your tablet. Just remember that once they're deleted automatically, they're gone. So now you're going to be uploading these to Dropbox or email, the PDFs of them, so that will be saved on your home computer, your office computer. But this is just strictly to clean up your tablet and make it run optimally. When your tablet gets full of files, it runs slower. That's why we designed this. So we'll just go 60, close. Okay, so we're going to select customer 1. I'm just going to draw a quick little floor plan here, put some state findings in it or some federal findings. And this is just, we're going to go test customer 1 because this was test customer 1. And then now let's go to customer list. Again, test customer 2. We'll draw another house here. This house is going to be a circle. Go to federal findings. And we'll put some 2s here. And then we'll go to customer list, test customer 3. This house is going to be a square and a circle. And for federal findings, we're going to put 3s. I'm only doing this to show you how you can retrieve a deleted file prior to the TermitePro Basic automatically deleting it after 60 days. Alright, so now in our customer list, we have 3 customers with addresses, and for each one of them we drew a structure. So now I want to delete all 3 of them. Long press. What would you like to do with this customer? Nothing, copy, or delete. So for this customer, we're going to delete it. If you read right here, it says a backup of customer database has been saved to the database storage, and it puts it into a folder called TermitePro. Hit OK. Test customer 1, we'll copy it, and we're going to call it test customer 4. I'm going to show you really quick. We just copied test customer 1, so if you go to test customer 4, there is the sketch or the drawing that we drew so that you can see the copy feature. And we'll go back in and we're going to delete all these now. Delete. It's telling you it's been saved. Delete. It's telling you it's been saved. And delete. I'm going to hit nothing here. You can also hit the remove all button down here if you see it right down here. It would remove all of them. So like maybe after the end of the week, you could hit remove all and it would clear all those out. And it would prepare the backup of them. So as you can see, we have no customers in our customer list. So we're going to exit out of the TermitePro app. Now we're going to go into the File Manager HD that we downloaded at the beginning of this video. We're going to go to Device, and there should be a TermitePro folder. There it is right there. So we're going to long press that, and we're going to bookmark it. And we're going to call it TermitePro. If you see over on the left here, that's where we just bookmarked. So we're going to click on that. And as you can see, here's all the addresses of the 4 folders, the files we created. If you go into one of them, let's go into this one right here. Those are database files. That is what is being saved. So before I delete these, what we're going to do, I just wanted to show you where those were. So now we're going to go back into TermitePro. And let's say, hypothetically, you made a mistake on a termite inspection, which I know probably will never happen, but if it did, and it wasn't within the 60 days that we have set over here to automatically delete those files, you can go to your Customer tab up on the top, Package Import, little disk button, go to your TermitePro folder, and that's where you're going to have that database file. So we'll grab number 1. Select it, and then go to your customer list. Whoops. Forgot to hit import. Really quick, back into there. There's your database file. Now we hit import. Database file was imported. Back to your customer list. And we go into there. Let's just go into the structure so we can remember it. There's the house we drove. And the address we put in there. The information. So now you can grab that information and use it and make any changes or whatever the error was, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you recover a deleted file prior to the 60 days in the system setting. Now we're going to exit out of this, back into File Manager HD. TermitePro file. Now we made these all on June 7th. After 60 days, these will all be deleted. And that will keep this folder in your hard drive clear and running at the optimal level. That concludes this video on your system settings, deleting customers, and importing deleted customers within the time allotted. Thank you and have a great day.